Honey, that's good enough. That's good enough. You got
Okay.
the horn? The horn yet?
Yeah.
Where am I at?
Okay, come over this way.
I'm coming. Where am I at?
You know, you're standing right underneath him. Now,
Watch her knock the dog shit out of that. Watch this.
I got to tell you, all they are is
Knock the crap out
you
of
got to swing the bat.
I go to. It's up here, isn't it? Uh-oh. I hit the wire. I hit him.
No, you got to break him.
Well, I hit him. Okay. Did I break him?
Nope.
She's like a Volkswagen. That donkey's like a Volkswagen.
What are you doing to it? All right,
If
come
you
on.
can't,
How come he won't break? I want him to break. Where's that, buddy? Wait. Oh. You do what?
Kiss it. Kiss it right there.
There's his little head.
it.
You want to come and help me? Did I break it? What is happening? It's not breaking.
well, you got to hit it harder.
I'm hitting it hard.
Hit it with both hands. Don't let go of the bat, though.
Yeah, because you'll knock me out
Why
cold.
not? Honey,
Okay, quit beating on that one. Find the other one.
no, Kathy says I can't hit that one.
Huh?
Catherine said I can't hit that one.
Oh,
Does he got anything in him? He's empty.
I know that.
Why am I hitting him? If he's empty, he ain't
Yeah.
gonna break.
Take your bat, find it, and then swing down instead of sideways.
This way?
Swing down.
This way? He ain't going nowhere.
Well, you gotta hit him like you mean it.
Well, I did hit him.
You hit him with one hand.
Well, I gotta keep touches on him. All right. He ain't going nowhere.
Come on, you gotta hit him like you mean it.
He's not
Hey,
breaking.
hey, hey. No
I
cheating.
don't want to beat him up. He's been hit enough.
Go. Now, do it.
All right. He's not breaking.
You still can't do it.
He's not breaking. How come he's not breaking?
Just keep going. Just keep going. Go for it. Go for it. Keep going. Keep whacking. There you
He's
go.
not breaking.
Just keep whacking.
I am. I'm tired. Oh,
Hang on to his leg and hit him.
you poor baby.
You're not hitting
Break
him.
his back leg
I
off.
did
You're
hit
just
him.
thumping him.
I hit him.
You're thumping him.
There you go.
I knocked his head off.
Okay, now,
No, Ed,
Now
Kathy says
what
I
are you
can't
going
hit
to
that.
do about
Why?
your ass? You broke it.
She said
Why?
no.
why can't you hit that one? I bought it for you to hit. For
No.
you.
Hey,
I
Kathy,
bought it. I bought
I
it.
want to save that one.
Leanne, Mom,
What?
now you went and did it. You broke your ass.
Mom, Mother,
What?
I bought it for you to hit.
But it was already
I
back.
bought
They
it
wanna
for you to
keep
hit.
it for a thing. Let him keep it. He wants to keep it. Let her keep it. She only turned 60 once. Let her keep it.
Okay.